Hey guys, Patrick here from Chiropractic Chiro Training, where our goal is to create the greatest adjusters on the planet, the best adjusters on the planet. So we've got some great new training drills for you to put into play immediately. Check this out immediately and then do it tomorrow, every day, all day long. It's just gonna help your adjusting so much. What I wanna concentrate on today is about relaxation. So what we know is that the best athletes in the world, what they do better than anybody, it's not that they're stronger, it's not that they generate more power, but it's their ability to oscillate between tension and relaxation. Okay, so it's that ability to relax that's going to give you speed. And we know the more speed we have, the better the adjustment for lots of reasons. There's less resistance. We know that Bernoulli's principle, it's going to have less resistance and less pressure in the joint. You're going to have way more receptor potentiation. You're going to change the cord reflexes way faster. You're going to just reset the system at a much higher level. So speed is your friend in adjusting. So in order to do that, we need to actively work on relaxation. Okay, just like a cat or Bruce Lee or a high-level boxer or martial artist, they can go from nothingness to full contraction really, really fast and back again. So what you need to understand is that relaxation is an active skill. It's an energy-dependent skill, actually. So what that means is it needs ATP, it needs calcium pumps. After life passes from the body, within a few hours, rigor mortis sets in because we no longer have energy to unratchet the actin and myosin filaments. But as long as we have life in our body, we can train that actin myosin filament, the unratcheting, and the calcium pumps to oscillate faster. Okay, so a couple of different types of rigidity we need to be aware of. One is tonic rigidity, which is the baseline tension in your muscles, and the other is coordination rigidity. The next video we'll get into coordination rigidity, and that has more to do with a specific skilled movement. But for today's purposes, it's all about tonic rigidity. So what do we know? We know that if you want to create a max effort deadlift, for example, or you want to be a great power lifter, you need to generate massive tension and be able to hold lots of tension. So typically what you'll do is you're going to tighten down your entire core, your diaphragm, your abs, your pelvic floor, your spine, and you're going to lock in a lot of tension there. You're going to lock your hands really tight, your traps, and your face and jaw. What that's going to do is going to amp up, it's called irradiation, and it basically just creates more tension in all of your body. Great for powerlifting, really not good for chiropractic. So for chiropractic, what we want to do is train getting all of that tension out of our body. Okay, so that's going to have a lot of benefits for you. Number one, it's going to help you get out of sympathetic dominance, get into a parasympathetic state. It's going to allow you to connect more with your people. It's going to allow you to feel more. The tighter your hands are, the tighter your body is, the more you're locked in your own body and you can't perceive, you can't feel. Okay, so that's super, super important. The other thing, obviously, speed. Okay, we've already said we need speed. So tonic rigidity, it's basically just shaking out all the tension in the muscles. So hands, face and jaw, traps, and our core. All right, so first thing is just shake out the hands. And the idea is you want to oscillate as fast as possible between agonist and antagonist. And that way there's a neuromuscular component, but there's really that calcium pump. It's just training to work faster. Okay, so just shake out all the tension, tense. Shake out all the tension, tense. Shake out all the tension, tense. Okay, move up the arm, biceps, triceps. Okay, shake it all out. Traps. Okay. Just really try and switch the muscles off. Okay, with the core, it's really better done with deep breathing and pressure, and then sigh, let it all out. Just kind of shake your spine loose. The face, there's no way to do this other than to look stupid. If you don't look stupid, you're not doing it right. Careful if you have any TMJ problems, but the idea is just tense your face and shake it out. Tense, shake it out. Tense, shake it out. So do that every single day, and then the next thing you want to do is just do all of those at the same time. Tension, it looks really ridiculous, I know that, but it will massively translate into speed. And then just shake it out as quick as you can. Shake it out. Shake it out. So anyway, the goal is to do this every single day, make it a part of your morning routine, but you also want to do it before every single adjusting shift, okay? One thing is, if you're doing CrossFit, you're doing powerlifting, you're doing deadlifting, squats, awesome. Don't do it within a couple hours of your adjusting because it will slow you down, okay? Second thing is, do this morning, and do it before every shift, and do it before every single time that you touch a person on your table, so that you get connected with yourself and connected with them. Check in. Is my face tight? Loosen it up. Obviously, if you're at the table, you don't shake your face out, but you learn to relax it. Traps, relaxed. Hands, relaxed. Core, relaxed. And I use that as an actual metric, and I feel in my own body when I feel that window open. And it always happens in a moment where I feel them relax, and I feel all 4 of those drop into nothingness. And when you feel that, that's when the adjustment happens, through you and not from you. So the next video, we'll be talking about coordination rigidity and how to improve specific movement patterns. So look forward to sharing that with you. We'd really love to have you at our training sessions. We've got a couple coming up. It's going to be a lot of fun. The occipital lift, which is our favorite technique and favorite one to teach, and man, does it require speed. So it's not power, it's not force, it is finesse, and we'll be doing a lot of these drills. That's coming up in Barcelona in July. Then we will be in September, we're going to be both in London, we're going to be doing Module A, and then in Paris, we'll be doing Module B towards the end of September. So really excited, hope to have you there. Make sure and keep up with us, share this with a friend, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.